Let's talk about ApolloBot, the world's best 2-in-1 bot. About us. ApolloBot is the world #1 2-in-1 trading robot that trades the spot and futures markets simultaneously in the comfort and safety of your exchange account. Privately tested for several months before its official launch in April 2023, created by an expert team of developers from Singapore and China. Advantages of ApolloBot. ApolloBot has a series of significant advantages when compared to competitors, making it a top performer in the cryptocurrency quantitative trading robot space. 1. Single-sided position strategy that reduces risks and boosts profits. 2. Intelligent parameters settings. 3. Risk prevention system, continuously monitors market changes and safeguard trades. 4. Strong profit potential by leveraging Microsoft's QLIB algorithm. How does the robot work? 1. Market analysis. It automatically analyzes data from the market. 2. Strategy execution. The bot executes trades based on the trading strategy and parameters you have preset. 3. Real-time adjustments. The bot can quickly respond to market changes and reduce the impact of emotional factors on trading. 4. Trade execution. Once the robot determines the action to take, the orders are executed on the exchange. 5. Monitoring and reporting. ApolloBot continuously monitors your trades and generates detailed trade records and reports. Supported exchanges: Binance, Bybit, OKX, HTX, BitGet, Gate.io. How to connect to different exchanges. To connect to your preferred exchange and use ApolloBot for cryptocurrency quantitative trading, follow these steps. 1. Create an exchange account. 2. Obtain an API key. This will be used to establish a secure connection with ApolloBot. 3. Obtain a referral link from your referral, register, and log in. 4. Adding an exchange to ApolloBot by connecting through the API. 5. Choose the trading strategy you want to execute on the connected exchange. 6. For the chosen strategy, you need to configure some parameters such as trading pairs, order amounts, max orders, etc. 7. Starting the trading bot. How strong is ApolloBot's profitability? The profitability of ApolloBot depends on several factors. 1. Market conditions. Different market conditions may be suitable for different strategies. 2. Trading strategies. Different trading strategies have varying profit potentials. Selecting a strategy that suits the current market conditions is crucial. 3. Capital size. A larger capital can withstand more volatility in trading, thereby realizing greater profit. How much does ApolloBot charge users? No annual or monthly renewal fees. 10% gas fees. In ApolloBot, gas is used to pay for the usage fees of the robot strategies. These fees are utilized to maintain and support the operation of the robot, ensuring that it can continuously execute your trading strategies and assist you in earning profit. The price of gas is $1 for 100 gas. A gas fee equivalent to 0.1% of the transaction amount is deducted for opening positions, while closing positions do not consume gas. What is the partners program like? Register as a partner. Obtain referral link. Promote ApolloBot. Track registrations. Earn commissions. Your positive action, combined with positive thinking, results in success. Thank you for watching. For more information, go back to the person who forwarded this video to you. Collect his or her referral ID and get registered on our website apollobot.io.